Hey, hi guys, welcome back to part 2 of showing you guys my squishies and fidgets. This one is not my fidget, but if you haven't checked out my squishies, go check it out and then come back to here. Okay, I have this gooey slime. Not playing with it, but we can show you. Gorgeous. How gorgeous that one is. Okay. I have this puppet. I gotta put it in my squishy bin. I have this puppet. I have a simple dimple. I have a bunch of pop tubes because I fidget traded. But anyways, I got rid of some of my fidgets because I were bad. But I have a bunch of pop tubes. I have these marble stoppers, thingamabots. I used to have 3 monkey noodles, but now I have 2 monkey noodles. These are the Nita brand. They are real. Back to puppets. Now I have this puppet. But this is the better side. One second. Okay. Next, I have this fidget spinner. It's a stock as well. And then I have but that one broke. Guys, these are so easy to put back together, but they can break. I broke mine in a video that I was gonna make, and then I deleted it because it broke. So that's really sad. I have a lot of these textured. But anyways, that's my fidgets. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye guys.